First, go to Setup, Automation, Workflows. On the left panel, click Rules, Create Rule. Basic information. Select Tickets from the module dropdown. Enter a name, for example, Convert Ticket to CRM Deal. Add a description if required. If you want to activate immediately, check Active. Click Next. Execute On. Select the Create checkbox. This ensures the workflow runs every time a new ticket is created. Click Next. Criteria section. If you want a deal created for every new ticket, you can skip criteria and proceed. Alternatively, you can define conditions such as subject contains pricing, department equals sales, or any business-specific logic. Once defined, click Next. Action section. Click the plus icon. Select Custom Functions arrow, New. Now click Edit Arguments. In the name field, type Ticket ID. From the Value dropdown, select Ticket ID under Ticket Information. This ensures the function receives the ticket's unique ID dynamically. Now let's use AI to generate the script. Instead of manually writing the function, we can use AI assistance. Open Google Gemini. Paste the following prompt. I am using Zoho Desk and Zoho CRM. I need a Deluge custom function script. Requirement. Fetch ticket details from Zoho Desk using Ticket ID. Search for existing deals in Zoho CRM using the ticket email. If a deal exists, update its description with a ticket description. If no deal exists, create a new deal using the ticket email. Keep org ID equals paste org ID here. Use get record by ID, search records, update record, and create record. Do not explain anything. Only give the final Deluge script. Gemini will generate the required script. Now paste the following script into the custom function editor. Click Save to save the custom function. Then click Save again to finalize the workflow rule. Important note: make sure to replace org ID equals paste org ID here with your actual org ID. You can find it here: Setup arrow, Developer space arrow, API arrow, org ID. Now, whenever a new ticket is created, if a deal already exists for that email, it gets updated. If not, a new deal is automatically created. This automation bridges the gap between support and sales, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.